What's good, gang? We at Cold Truck and shit. We got the Kalika here. We got Big Dip, Big Trophy. We got Bobby, and we got Guerrero. Yeah. Shit. So as I was saying, we're at the we a mile into Cold Truck right now. Fuck, once we get up there, spark heavy, dab heavy. I got my Puffco. I got some Purple Rain or Purple Punch and some Purple Dino with some Blue Gushers. Man, shit finna be lit. So we like halfway up, maybe a little quarter more than halfway, but man, a fucking hell of a hike. I haven't even got so smoke in me yet, besides the first stop. And I don't even lie, that shit fucking deadly, but beautiful fucking view. Just a beautiful view right here. It's so crazy. It's so small up there. Nah, it's so fucking nice though, but
it's crazy that there's still hella snow on the mountain.
Fucking catching when we're at the top, chiefing some more. Waiting for the Vatos Locos that are down there. Got some more up ahead, but to the next one. They do though, they do. Fucking Bleecker checkpoint number 2. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Only if we brought the bong right here. Beautiful fucking.
Damn, is that Blinker? I believe so.
Oh, it is indeed Blinker City.
Blood killer.
Oh, we do indeed. Got the fucking squad over here.
Yeah, sorry,
Fucking toque número 2.
Need I say more, shall we?
Shit hot.
What's up?
Fuck it.
Why are you filming
We got
me out
non-smoker
there?
number 1, non-smoker 2. They're really taking a break, but number 3 break. Yeah, we don't even know where to go.
I think it's more towards this way. It might be the other way because yeah.
Let's keep going though. The rocks and the mountains. Jeez. Dude, they probably just kept sanding it.
You don't see him? Nah. Watch him be on the other side of the creek and shit. Bro. I think they might be down there. No. Oh, I see. Oh, you good?
Yeah. Right there, boy. God damn, bro. Me quebré los huevos.
Oh, these fools are not here. You just gotta hit him with the...
Fuck it, well, let's just enjoy the water. Fucking here, man. Yeah. Fucking glacier town for real. Oh my goodness. We got the stick we might jump off of. It's kind of tempting, not gonna lie. Might not hold on with me, but fuck it. We got the gang. Man, look at this bitch. So fucking clear. Before we ended the last clip, during the last clip, you guys are gonna see a whole lot of sky. fucking caught a little ouchie on my fucking foot, my elbow. But that's just how it goes for big marijuanos and shit. But time to fucking take a dip in this shit. Oh yeah. And we'll get to fucking smoking some good kush in a bit.
What's up? Finally sparking up. We made it to the location. This is it. Right here.
We got some fucking Oaxacos climbing down the fucking mountain, and some more people climbing up the mountain. Shit wild. But fuck them.
Fuck them, we're gonna light this J.
It's us. At Lake Kolchak.
Lake Kolchak.
Oh shit, you've been getting better at your sparking.
Oh, I've been taking tips or 10 from you.
Shit.
Trust.
Lost half of the group. Danny, Jose, Miguel, Edgar. And now it's
Leo.
5 of Leo. Yep, and now it's 5 of us without a whip. And yeah. Just a whole lot of fucking kush to smoke.
I got you.
Oh shit, bad. Man's looking out. Fucking, we got Leo. Let me see the slider. We got Leo and Izzy always looking out with the cam. Appreciate that shit.
Yes, sir.
You were the original though, out at the fucking ancient lakes. If you remember.
Yes,
And we had
sir.
that grub afterwards.
Eleanor Cafe.
Fire. Damn. Hella purple flower. Oh man, you can see it through this paper. Glass filter. It's just smoking. This is that plan that made it out the group chat type shit.
And we didn't even get to be together. The group. Oh,
We just gotta hope we ride back as a team.
dead ass. Fucking bee getting in the way.
Bobby, you joining up? Yeah. There you go.
It's been fun.
Fucking got the proxy on deck today.
It's cold, huh?
We got the Saber with us. Always rocking with the Puffco. Still have that original one. I will always keep this one until the very last day that I don't have nothing to clean. Supposed to show up?
Yeah.
Oh shit. We got more Q-tips. But the real deal. We got a fucking mix of some blueberry, some orange, and some forbidden fruits. That's just stupid.
Let's jump in, guys.
We all gotta jump off that part. Jumping off?
Shit was nice. Catch y'all on the next clip with the fucking dab or more kush. Till the next one.
Are you still rolling?
With what?
Shit, go!
Yeah, dude!
Pinches huevos.
This guy's racist.
Made it to another point. Got a little clica here now. A couple of them dipped. Man. Got the fucking proxy in the hole. Shit lit. Got some nice little mixed up. We might just take right here or spark up the joint they were saying. So
He broke your glasses?
the other good cushion here.
Yo, this is gonna be sick. Set up right
And
here.
this is the trio of what I had. This is the 3 strained joint that I rolled.
Yo, this is perfect.
Oh yeah. Oh shit.
I think Edgar took it. No, hold up.
That's mine.
Oh, it's right here, yeah. This is not yours.
Oh no.
Not even ready yet, bro.
No, we're not.
Hell of a view.
Honestly, dude, the last stretch, holy fuck, I kept up with these niggas. I didn't stop. Bro, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, I didn't stop.
Got the fucking Vatos Locos and Marihuanos here.
Shoddy Bay.
Oh yeah.
Oh, Danny, bro. Danny kept looking at me, dude. This shit was like, it's fun.
There's some quick water, just beautiful. Just a straight beauty. Pinche clavazo para los marihuanos. Well, I'm heating this up. I'm gonna talk about what the fuck was going on. Yeah, so after I had fell, we kind of lost the group and continued to look for a new spot. Found the new spot. That's where me and all the homies ran in. You'll probably see that clip as it goes, actually, or right now, either or, we'll see. And yeah, we were straight chilling it there. That was like another mile away from the homies, so we had to hike like another half a mile back. Here's the homie JG. He fucking went back and scooped us up. We're taking the dab now. We got a couple of homies sliding, but fuck it. I'd offer them some shit too, but I just don't think they're about it like that. Shit. On the way back, right before we came, you guys want to join?
Oh, dude, appreciate it, bro.
Where is he? Well, as I was saying though, that's the big homie to pass me my shoes. My dumbass can't fucking stabilize it and drop the beats. Ready to test those hoes out. We're not too far away. As I was saying, this is like a 1 mile checkpoint. This should kick in our ass. We got one more joint to go. But overall, hell of a trail. W ending points. Fucking water's so beautiful. Lake Kolchak.